Okay, so using a bearing splitter, I'm going to take this bearing off. Let's do a little bit at a time. And it's coming off. So I managed to get the bearing up so far, and then with the 2-prong bearing, I'm able to lift it the rest of the way. We'll see. Seems to be working, and there it is, off. Okay, you can see one bearing, you can see it's all good. Check the bearing, it's not scored or anything, it's all good. And then we'll do the other side. Get this one off. Right, got that bearing off, so that's okay. Actually, now it's off. Feels a little bit lumpy. And at least maybe the right thing to do. That's the sprocket, timing sprocket. Have a mark there. Okay. So put that there for a minute. Right, don't need that anymore. Let's put the bearings on. And using the old bearing on top of the new one. Just oh, going anywhere there, am I? Let's try again. I think that's fully down now. Release that. Let's check. Oh, the difference. Fantastic. You can see that's right down there. Lovely. And I'll put that in as well. Hope we can get that over. No. Push that in. Get started. It's a smaller one. Well, I think we get the gist of it. I'm running out of battery power now, but basically that's the first bearing on, and I'm going to put the sprocket timing chain, cam chain sprocket on there, and that'll be done. So that's the first one on. It's just basically flip it over and do the same on the other side. I won't bore you with the same procedure, but it's simple when you've got to press. As you can see, it's all laid out ready. So the gears have been cleaned, and the selector, kick start shaft there. Both cases have been cleaned, and gaskets taken off. The bearings have been taken out and put back in again, cleaned and put back in. The clutch, I'm going to buy some new plates. Pumps all been done, cleaned. Crankshaft, those bearings are lovely now. Sprocket back on in the right place, and all the spares here ready to start the build. All looking good.